Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in these videos we post very simple natural hairstyle. I call it simple because it's DIY and thick hairstyle that you don't wait for long. You just head to just quickly and go. So I'm starting with the middle section, which I parted for the first straight contour. Then after this one I'm going to put another one going sideways, and we'll put a line going back just like that, guys. And I'm using edge control or hair wax iso plus just to achieve this, to make the hair appear more neat and well organized. So right now I'm doing the other side. Yo guys, I'm literally trying to sleep as I'm posting this, as I'm recording this. If you are part of my videos, like if you have been and you don't want to make it your last time to see my face, don't forget to subscribe. We love you, we love you. In this channel we're going to bring a lot of more videos that will benefit, will empower us. We need empowerment. So now I'm doing a half control going back. After a half control, then I went to slick that remaining part just to give it a stylish way. Guys, you make sure that you're going to tie your hair. If you were sleeping or whatever, you just want to tie the hair to marinate for some few minutes, if not an hour. When we are done with the hairstyle, so I'm just using the rubber band to secure the hair because I want that slicky situation. So I went on to do exactly what I have done to the other side, just like that, and I kept controlling. This hairstyle was not too painful on me, but forgive, I'm struggling with the comb that I was using to part the hair, so you guys, you have to forgive me for those parts. We improve as we go. We buy what's necessary, like a red tail comb, just to achieve whatever we want to achieve. So I'm going with that other control. We go it third control on that other side, just like that, and the remaining part will put or gel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, because here we're going to post natural hairstyles for black women. We're going to post makeup, soft glam. So guys, this is the hair that is, this hairstyle will help you to protect your edges if your edges usually break. This hairstyle is a good to go. It's a protective hairstyle for your edges. So guys, I'm now going to put a puff situation. I'll just marry these hairs together, and I put the slicking gel and the comb just to make it neat and slicky. And now we are tying slowly. You can use even shoelace for this. Wow, I just love the way this hairstyle came. It was so successful. Thank you guys for your continued support. See you at the top. So look at the hairstyle, look at this hairstyle. It came out to be so nice. I'm just proud of the outlook. I'm just proud of the outcome. So I was saying, on this level you can tie your hair.